dia ya me ya wo mo no NPP for nim say obi agimi pani bi owo NPP mu bia nim say wagimi because Mensa bonsu e me kan kire say about 95% of NPP core base eye offense nkwasiafo o say Mensa bonsu na kan o me dispute yesi kwasianity na agoragu NPP nkoa na ukuhuma party na ye fi say woni munyansa NPP nkoa wo yiro wo ye adwumade ma NPP panimfo na o bedi so mfaso no anim say wonya nyansani
hwe Wontumi ono kwai contractor o say dua buru o say tu galamsey say o ji bibia boso etu ono kwai
enye ni pa bonesem a Wontumi de na no abefa NPP ho abeyeye party office common party office Wontumi anya bi wa sentiment
na obenya ntwamo no
no di ba dada mo okohan wo bi fie e wo kro from okohan wo bi fie e wo kro from say onu na ato fie na ma NPP party say na
abrofom kokoje abrofom ne say abrofo akodoni
na we ni person so wo mo so na Wontumi atumi ya adwuma nyaska na nko Africana of Britain UK asante kwotana Ghana ye nyina ya cho Sammy ukune political career no and it's a presidential ambition no one onkoya headmaster man schools na watoto no onya president ni NPP ma amani nya president ni da ya man kwan mani ni president wo Ghana da Kwaku Annan nya bi ni da mi tonyame we are serious ya fan people ni agro omu ye dwaphobia NPP for muadie o se tire NPP nyansa mo omu say omu ye gere woni godfather Wontumi kasa wo NPP ye be break it agents no ye be break ye be mo hu say with that godfather kokromotie no obi ade to aba wo NPP no also am di buoma pani na panimfo se obi hwa wo kotwenko a sa nipa ko ne yemfa no nkotwe wuo do mo dia Kennedy Agyapong phobia me say we are the best say what na kro mbetwa so aba
and correct
donyame o beka offense business men asem
say o kabi was from fa from
and no one was casting offense Dabi Ibrahim Mahama Akufo Oba na Ibrahim Mahama NDC ni enua ana akọ resource no na NPP no na nipa nim omo sa $1 million phobia oma $1 million and can na why ye ahwe NPP wo de koma NDC ni
900
wo de koma NDC ni Akufo Addo bae NPP 40 ho offense o se Mensa bonsu anya obi ankọkire Akufo Addo ansesa contracts amano ti se Kofi Job
oyi akwa Kofi Job
Boris B edi mwachi me wo ne sekan and then adwumagu o be friend
osu
o be friend businessman agrofo o mo fi say the NPP dia ya me ya wo mo no NPP for nim say obi agimi NPP ni bia pani bi owo NPP mu ni bi pani bi owo NPP mu bia nim say wagimi
I see.
Yeah, phobia. Nanka NAPO mekancho say the NPP sympathizer enyani t-shirts. NPP t-shirt o man na wakuno. Konka. Because Mensa bonsu mekancho say about 95% of NPP core base eye offense nkwasiafo. O say Mensa bonsu na kai. O me dispute. Yesi kwasianity na agoragu 2028 me say mo amunya campaign ombe bokagu phobia ombe bokagu Boris B di mwachisa Kennedy Agyapong kai wasi ya wo Boris B sika woni yam okwasi ana ne abanage ne yam na dwuma gu under the presidency of offense Akufo Addo As for fighting, Bibia, Gantua Amofa Gantua, more time because of support to Kennedy. And one crop forward, dear boy, Nana Akufo Addo, power. Akufo Addo. And they overcut.
Osu, Sammy Okusu, Osu.
Oh, phobia.
Osu.
Oh, now that's what we say.
So, the businessman, including Otibos, who are power.
Oh, Otibos, your containers. Otibos, now on pre minister, on pre MP, on pay to me, dear, be our NPP, no, but need DM and officer, oh, yeah, BB Abwa. And Cramophone, my free, a first 1996. Ebesi 2016, 2024, Otibos 2020, Otibos with a surprise and your money the check.
I said, no, Papa
is Sikani. I don't know about Otibos, what a funny man.
Also, for Otibos on fire, are they?
Oh, now one cabafa.
The businessman for your poor NPP.
Oh, you are one cabafa. But you are Bonia for way. Sammy Kwaku Annan because I also a lawyer. Sammy Kwaku. But think of way. That be a maybe graduate. How on first one when you sell law certificates no. I'm proud to make a no be NTB. School now I'm choir. I'm met classmates. Dede and them to I'm the town officer Panini Ghana ho. Panini NPP num. Amwako ba mo yiri amu ya adwuma NPP mo ba ye masato mo nyina down NPP nkoa na ukun ma party na ye fisa woni nyansa NPP nkoa wo yiri wo ya adwuma de ma NPP a panimfo na o mbedi so mfaso no anim sa wonya nyansani
Mr. Kwesi Wontumi onu kwai e contractor o sa dua buru o sa tu galamsey. That's what Bibia Bosso.
And then if a bonesemo, Wontumi de nano at the NPP one be ye party office, common party office, Wontumi and Nebu Asante
in Chamuano.
No, Damo, Okohai will be fear. Oh, crow from. Okohai will be fear. Oh, crow from. Say, on no Atofie Nama NPP party. Sana.
Na abrofom kokoje abrofom ne ese abrofo akodoni
na we ni peso so wo mo so na Wontumi atumi ya adwuma nyaska na nko Afri Ghana Afri Britain UK asante kwatana Ghana Afri UK akọ Ghana sika se na Wontumi kura a ode koe
kapre
NPP aboa amwa be yo defo NPP aboa amwa be yo defo nipa kro na wono Wontumi una odi Alancheramanten achi Kennedy Agyapong na fro on no fie no office our moving pick and o catch us yo wumpo obeba be support Akufo Addo abia cooperate to me and odo ba ho ene
so gangaria
ene we a gang leader Kennedy Agyapong na oso awonsa do ba no onim nyansa
ene ohun kremo ntino obise no ano no
na Roman for nim say na Roman for nim say omo bekun Yesu ama Kristosuma di atrese yanko mu ja Yesu ene wahu nipa na mo se wa bodam no nipa na mo se ne hunyia nipa na mo se on samfata onya presidential material no sa nipa no na nei mo frɛ no so me campaign mamo
businessman usami eku hi
and now a businessman. Now businessman ben a check in the Agyapong. Businessman ben. So if it's a business guys, you know, and we are relevant M1, then I'm with Kennedy. A phobia, Mesra Mabunro Mobano phobia. We are saying no man and ton free through BMO. Obiasa break one kasanen sem. So mame kurana osum no owo no so ono wo fi say oyi edi antumi free ne nche ma phobia pound no na ball bra NPP nya option NPP enya alternative phobia. Sa Samia uku ba yehu no. Yehu Samia uku. Samia uku yehu no. O serpent material. O long hands on tutum no oba. Ne tentene ne kasienti ne pant kura ensi ne nase. And ne was why sikani.
Aye, also why the four.
And ne was why you the four. Overnight, MPP and Richard. Ni refi omo those days na omo finance party no ama omo abeye sika for no ni refi omo
and now MPP who here businessman say MPP
na who Samia uku why pa na aboa o ase Kennedy Agyapong why
who free businessman for mo
why na aboa o se Kennedy Agyapong omo kwakoye temele National Conference. Samia ukuna o sikase na here. Now yes sikase na here. And then auto offensive schools across 16 regions in Ghana. Sikase na o sikase na we those days. Ba Akufo Addo o sabe o or finance here and am say wajiminti. Na munni say wajimi. Enti mu use no na madampo no. Or finance here $1 million. Samia we saying. Who is saying? Na nyankopon aboa mo amankwasiafo ma aba beto aba mama yeye sa nkrofo na eto aba ma mo no enemu so omo yankwasiafo na mabunu ni ntie ni yefo bia me se di omo de Kennedy Agyapong no babunu bia ni wa wo MPP mu awo ni da so babunu bia ni ho si atumi dia Kennedy Agyapong we trust phobia now then away ama MPP then na we dia support MPP campaign be na why ama MPP da we the MPP aba power da wo Kennedy Agyapong $300,000 ah odi cha dubu ahen na MPP nko election da MPP nko election da national election and so once row what he says the flag bearer then and then so wa bodam now women no wa yen bi malamisa who wa dying I yen to me new to the basin Kennedy kura o mo dinatem na wo masa e mabunu mu hwe yie me se mu wo bibi don wa mo na don the base na se mo me am president kura mo be kingmakers and a bayer de say ye di gold but throw ye di our debate bookum say ye better debate say ye good MPP party ye di better wa consider we as be say and me person me throw me di I was nkwan manu phobia me say 2028 ye best say sika rough MPP awurade me say the betumi ama MPP aba power and say Bawumia be pay nipa 8 million obepe nipa 8 million now why do so omo san ta kwana nko na betumi ama Bawumia awene presidency e Ghana enya sa phobia me say ye best say sika e MPP won ama MPP atna opposition
bia obefa bia no Ghana mabunu esufre Kennedy Agyapong and na yato aba wie kwabrane awi ni enso kwabrane ankasa sedam mu a wonum nsuo kra nya ne de because otie efam no otie sane amanfo yato aba ya wie primaries no nka ya wie but still people are calling for Ken Agyapong because amanfo hu say look esese yetimi esesem MPP ni anis ni yanto omontontwene on one platform be a WhatsApp platform. Yeah, the main video ekoto so. And MPP boys. TME MPP boys. Omasemo omoka and say they will deal with me. Na omo monitor niama kakra they will deal with me. Na me hu se niama tie. And I'm saying they will deal with me how? Ti madam fubi our platform no so. Formerly of multimedia, ena of feminine catch him say Jack, say na kwaso nti hwe ho yie. Look. Afeni ye beye adwuma. Ediama base no. We are now coming to build the base. Afe ni ebeye the base adwuma no muku yanyahwe. Afe eni ebeye the base ehu adwuma. It is a force ni free NPP, a free NDC na eba we are ready. It is a one maybe not the base and now sorry. A political movement. Fahu kodom go be part of it. Fahu question me. Register be. Yeah, register be. Na dache onana nom ene onana nkanso anom ebebo wabaso. Ebia no wawu but ufunu yebebo ufunu na baso. Ya bre ene sa hunahuna no na en yebeku yebeye say na amanfo adehe. Ubekume usu ubewu ebia ukumi na medikan a obeba kwa no na me no me yepani ewo heaven ho obeba na me yepani wo asamado na kwa ya mefa so ametwe mu no enti wo de kume but we will do it yebema Ghana for ehunu no kure yebema Ghana for ehunu say look NPP ni NDC no they have nothing better to offer than say omube siesie omo because we NDC for better so another bunch of political figures woman so ebeye so rich just like NPP for so ebeye because ye woni pa bi o wa na bia woman so te samia but womunya position wo NPP abemo no today they are rich enti anytime bia no omuba betreni ombegurumi a crop of rich people all the time but enye se bi o maybe be papa bi me probi oba support me na places bi o ha yesese yesheda ko kwatwa videos ankasa ni ebe show kire Ghana fo nyina e ma Ghana fo hunu say NPP ni NDC for no they don't care about us omo ankasa omo ho pe kwa mefa so meya sikafo enti obi peso aboa wa opeso obeta frene na ase me political way no mu didi achi NPP NDC ni edi achire sa but it is about time ye betimi enya ejina finfin na NPP ni NDC na nkasa no ya mo mahunu nyansa say look enya mo nko na ye de o man be hya mo nsa all the time it is a Ghana mabunu ekwan ya o mani asifa abre enti we show videos ebema Ghana fo ani aba o mo so ama o mahunu se NPP ni NDC no omu ntimi nye bibi papa bi amfa mayen dan se o mo abeyo mo ho asikafo na ye kosoa ne edi o machi a ene ye nka hunu se bre na ye nemu no ye chifo the next generation of us omo befa emu ema na chense eti se wo enne nyame aye wadom na se epie ewo wo pen so a esese wutimi de wo ho hyem na wo fight for Ghana esese wutimi ye bibia ebema wo daachi nchirima no omo benya ni daso esese wutimi ye bibia ebema daachi mabunu mu a eba no ombenya ni daso anano yesi ye bubu kasoa old market ye bubu wani akwesi stores look at Juta womo wa hoden asenkofo wei anka womo ewo factory eye adwuma enya asem ketwa womo ne nam ho adan munku budoza nyamu na mutwi eti mu bepede wa house o yenso ya bene nam ha kakra na ebia na yebetimi enya bibi kakra eti ye bu stores no gu ha no omo ne namu no omo yiji niama wom because ope bibi wom no akwa akodi ope bibi wom no akwa akodi ba bia Ghana ni no na abrabo ya tiswa me na ba bedru no se wonye adwuma krade ne wasem krade yenka no benefit Ghana ni benefit bia but ka wo hye Japade Nyankopɔn e de amaye na se yenya mpanifo a omunim nyansa wa akukuduro so metimi adane ani a anka Ghana ni mpa wanya adwuma bosome yama no 1000 Ghana mpa nka yawia no enso yete ho se ya na ye hwese amanfo emre wo mumu but saade no esese etimi e breaki saade no esese e breaki saagin no ye ma ne ntwem enko this is the time this is the time this is the time this is the time Hwanano Africa he ya mampani bi owu ye wonu ani kurom yantimi ansie no wonu kurom because ni kurom fo ne se wabo wo mu abro enti ehu hia se yade ne be Ghana ha kra yade ne ba ha asika da so ye pe be oman ya ebeje no na afei wasie no woni saaman nim asika eka ho eno kra no na obi ampese obeje mummi so mampani dada kufuo yade ba Ghana ha yade efu ne ba Ghana ha se yanye ne yanyi sika nkan na nka esie no ha se wo ye papa wanim ebanyam enti maya tenase ana NPP ni anisi de obi antimi wo mu NPP ni anisi na yade ehu ahye mu saa ehu no beto aso akoye nananka nso anom so na brena ye fam ene no se yantimi amfight na yanje Ghana no ansi ho a ye nananom omunia ni daso bia se ye NPP NDC se ya na ye bekọ a ye nananom ne ye ma wonia ni daso enti fa ho hyembi na ekena sania ebeduru baabi ane ye bobon kofuo din we ka ho no ye bubodin ekena bi a wo so ye dudin aka ho enya nea ubenya ewum but the common goal and say we need to change ekwanya ye fa so ye politics e wo Ghana ha no ma memfa wonsia yesi ebekume nti wonko ana sesem se oba ba yesinipe
oh Mr. Nkum you see enipa e wo wiase no se wo so obekum na hwan hwan de be chimbo sa nipa no onhwe da busuam no onhwe na chi se ono the first generation of his family ana ebia bako me no kasa Mr. Nkum me no tigoi me maame ne me papa nka so me ba wiase ho omuni ho omko do you think say na ko pour tie me destiny to me maame ne me papa na sanka na nka ba bo asesa enti no nipa bia ni ho a ono no be ka say obekun no obekun be take over with the properties and answer with I mean people should be reasonable now say areas na e wo no and you see the world does not revolve around you and then when am reasi movie and on am de yesa na am wi abo e wo nyame nsem so people's destiny see the say who's the last na me catch you say enipa we don't just meet obi abehia obi obabi bia there's a reason it is a unisa nipa ni hia but enye at that point na share na behu say we ntia sometimes no woni be hia woni be kontokwa mo be free that thing you know you see say oh this is the reason why nipa we need to
just like Honorable Kennedy Agyapong senior wonim no young guy na at the age of 30 years na owosika a utimi ejina jisika kese
of course
e de boa ne political party o se me de ni nyina to nchen me pese me be som Ghana enti waba be yem rahye bedwan wajai sa niam na nke bia concentrate yi anka by this time
bia anka wa quadruple the anka oyi
there's a reason ti Nyankopon ma ne kofa
of course you see yeah campaign who said nan crofo ka say let Ken be Ken na eduru bia na mpanifo bi on be frame oh Honorable Ken dey penasem o ba the way na encrofo kana asem the way ya woman in Tony down who said last night program catch you say the very day Honorable Ken ebe movie from nenema oye ho so who ade a obeka he will always stand for the truth he will always defend people obey loud. The day obetwe ne ho afi saa ne yoma no ho no. That will be the day and Kofo be giant 3D. Because Honorable Ken is not the only politician, as the only parliamentary or the saying former MP. But on the signature beer, and I said the new beer, oh yeah, and Kofo the pen asem. San and Yami Bo Nipa. You see, Bibi Ebema will be a pewasemu. It's not like because Oye Kennedy Agyapong tea and will be pen asem. But Nisu and any bang. Why is it that Obedu webinar or standing out? Because time about politics, or the name of be seen and used to say, me as a politician, what's your number or no other cabri interview be? Or say a dear man and ni ni say Wontumi ebua obia owo problem. That is what gives him satisfaction. And now who say yes obia on snasi me sisi say nipa. And yet MPs or parliament and then you know who are the Wontumi. Some people are so cowards. Say omonam hono bootlicking kwa. Konkonsan kwa what is a MP ba kwa ya desenka omo aban mu and abako wo obi ho ayinadi ko kamye mu omofo. But Honorable Ken doesn't care whether it is his party, his family, his son, his daughter. Bibia eye right or no na dream so sabe no nyame na de ma wo. You can't learn it. You can't learn it. You say Mrs. Abde do baby and I say, I did one more premise because you see, young fam free swam and want to me any shame. Would you never share Sanako?
What do you dream ha?
Ah, there's a good enough more.
My wife dream ha. Oh, Baba can't remember say. Se Kennedy Agyapong na winning ya.
Aye.
Manka Bawumia and Kwabena Agyapong Betrayal.
Aye.
Onti wana Bawumia na Nkrofo se nye Bawumia NPP bet no opposition wanti
ote
na dan ne how nsama omo aka same papa ne wofa ne nua bi ne maami kunu ne Kennedy Agyapong a ko de ne betu no ho jesi kodua so ot Ghana ye be primaries no wanti nsem a NPP for any Bawumia and Nkrofo kaye ayanunti as packet the base amaye anumbi yate on was wante ya betre no na ontie ne ye nsam wo mka so ni ma wa Muhammad phobia
aye
no ye Bawumia confidence ni bia
when this
and oba NPP no Bawumia office oti Bawumia chi wakati say Kennedy Agyapong and medra onu ne kum Ahmed Swale asama wa Muhammad kan ye no obi a ye nyina ye pre aba ye pre di obedi party nanim amaya ko pre to me no awa Muhammad free Bawumia camp Other car wait Kennedy Agyapong. What's the want what Ghana want? Phobia winning or Pariansa.
Aye.
What's it Kennedy Agyapong new company be a bodam with Nimunyansa, the DBA company. Now or no or Pariansa no or water company Kennedy Agyapong funded the metre.
Rubber company be a better.
Yeah. That no ya Jumama Bawumia why campaign manager at the Bawumia. Bawumia se one who boni be a was a statement no. Phobia wouldn't give you a boakon.
Many pa.
Yeah.
Alarm boy.
Yeah, kid your boako say NPP party no. Abroso say a bedi Kennedy Agyapong bedi animu. A Kennedy Agyapong ya kani. Na ni nyansa ni baby oko school drew ye no. On some fatasi obedi NPP anim gidi oboakon just kodu aso wante osi enya hwe Kennedy di onya nipa enti ome di Bawumia ti no onya campaign man no hey e wo wiase na 2028 beba phobia woni ma bronye
Kwame Telebe
osi Kennedy Agyapong abodam osi woye evil. Why a devil?
Dambo
Jimmy for
Dambo Jimmy.
Onene supporters nyina bo so no nyansa sen Kennedy Agyapong ne supporters. Yes, Kobia we are damn. Tumi na aboafa wotire no sa general secretaryship na enu nti wo si nipa new year se no. Ye betre wase so di hu agora. Se hu nye hu a ye betre ye di bibi betre am wo se ye fa obi aho ofobia. Kennedy Agyapong abronye tumi dina ho eka we tire no. Wo se enya hwe. On the supporters emeboa entai Bawumia ti. Hey. Na ye di ma phobia. Akanya aboa bofo na fa atete kane. Oni Bawumia ni nyina omu nim nyansa. Wo lie phobia. Phobia onim koka.
I know him.
Ose Kennedy Agyapong no so nsuo. Kennedy Agyapong abodam. Kennedy Agyapong ya pani team. Kennedy Agyapong ya yeni team wajuma. Ono ne master ne ya pani team. Wa ya right thinking person. Sana ko kakaye. Just ko bi also wanted. Na kupon betua oka sa wote na also wanted a. Fo bi oni miracle abwaje.
Okrofo no.
Wofo we nyina ya adwuma ma Bawumia. Enam so ye pani hunu na wonni nyansafo atwa no ho asia ntino Bawumia fra no so ye leader na leader ben na adwi mu dawa leader ben no predate pa ama ono ne ni kuoma obetra se ama party financier nkola nketenkete a destroy and say now what we are say some party financier no I'm not Bawumia campaign and I'm so pamu abakwasia Kennedy fiat na akochi nti ya baba da boa ya baba na 2028 waba be president agana for mesremo sa nega ya aboard the video yi okatatia free fa. But this a Ghana for your class Bawumia be president. Na Ghana for your Jimmy papa phobia. Me support us a comment no.
Maybe
yeah. Yeah, miracle abwaje say. Kennedy Agyapong nim nyansa also lead the NPP party. Kennedy Agyapong school okoye also a drop out. Kennedy Agyapong nyansa na thinking level of him so also the NPP party na nim na be calamity e be ya nim guase ama the party NPP no anya leader bit say Kennedy Agyapong miracle this charlatan we obi a wo mo brada onya adwuma da etumi gina ho kan sam we say Kennedy Agyapong na Justin Koduase yen me support hey urade Nyankopon be di Kennedy Agyapong na ho ya papa na minim so anya sa mistake no hey phobia na kada jenensa Kennedy na kasa hey phobia unim aduma kubafi
yeah minim de pa
yeah krofo we nyina nyen krofo a phobia omuni se o NPP party mu ne Ken Bawumia campaign team no mo krofo mi bo mu di nyina they were appointed by Bawumia. Correct. That's Uncle for we Dick Kennedy Agyapong atem. Now we want who be Bonia one. Me see a bet training nyansa Pepe 2028. Bawumia. Aduma kubasi. I catch the Ghana for say. Wano otrobu. Kennedy Agyapong nimu nyansa. Kennedy Agyapong. Adria dani trim no. Ayana nwanwa say or friend who sikeni. Kennedy Agyapong are going to lead the NPP party. Aduma kubafi and a cast asem no. That fancy homophobia. When were you free?
Yeah.
Middle belt coordinator, Bawumia. Are you free? The D Kennedy Agyapong attempt our live offense radio and television. So. When Katie Hammond.
Yeah.
Nsemfi. Any abotism. And then someone, yeah. Kennedy Agyapong to firma Katie Hammond. $500,000. And no and when you be the in office. Sa Katie Hammond. What the Bawumia can someone phobia a ya but someone yet Kennedy Agyapong because of say or more pressure Bawumia the NPP party just in code you also want it. When you attach
him in pa
or say Kennedy Yare Kennedy Agyapong abodam Kennedy Agyapong adene ba ne dam ne ba or beko come madafaka our UN.
And okay.
Among class in Kennedy Agyapong, MLD NPP party no. Kennedy Agyapong drop out. Attach ya. Way. Just in Kodia, Koda. So party no gua. Pepayam the first one mobile reinstate NPP party no. Na you bet Ram Nyansa 2028 Mayo. As more lusu dada. Or more loose in advance phobia. Miss Obia one year, Sikani bin ye, no 1 year be a new NPP party no, on Monica Crano buying. Now Muko Tuskagua, on the Bokagu. Phobia only Samira Bawumia. A drummer be not Kennedy Agyapong, or Nimnidi, or they be more the dear man, or Mono Amuiremo, I did dear man. Anya biasie a pese NPP ko opposition na san krofo no omo amre wo NPP party num enso nei omo de omo dan bo e prese NPP e betre opposition Samira Bawumia ne ka asem no the real official on ni kro join party no 2008 oba join party no na PNC flag and a brown mu ana ye offense Harita Sobaira ebeyi ye and one man NPP flag asani kom onu begina ho abetre Kennedy Agyapong ase obi a 1990 and join party no America 1992 obe support NPP adubwa hen amomu ye campaign this girl young girl Ebegina ho di Kennedy Agyapong atem abra Kennedy Agyapong yire akura wa nware no adwo asafo ozo adwo ho anwan kura ho ofe eye nipa adanso chen Bawumia yire and to get away begina rane Kennedy Agyapong down Bawumia so wante until 2028 you be open the Pandora boss no amanati the nkrofo ne kan Phobia wouldn't Bawumia bodyguard be over Casa. Kennedy Agyapong ya on the bono. What's what about book Kennedy Agyapong?
Okay, and correct.
What's what about book Kennedy Agyapong? No one to son of swatch it. Party financier, bankroller. Appreciate NPP party. Obianiwa Wabua party ni Kennedy Agyapong. This boy. Bawumia boy bodyguard ebegina TV so a viral video I catch say Kennedy Agyapong ya obabuno Bawumia na me say ukurom ofie bosom phobia opewaku a obodam wansa omabo Bawumia dam ne bekum 2028 phobia oni Wontumi
Asante Regional Chairman
onene boys Sa papa bi no bo kro no Astefam ne fani say.
Asibere.
O se Kennedy Agyapong agimi. Anya kan ni bia no se say yedinity NPP party nanim. Na wo ya kan ni na wagimi a. Won san fatase yedu di NPP party anim. O ka we nyina no te Wontumi radio. No refers comments way to Kennedy Agyapong. Just in code ya so wante. Kennedy Agyapong and the body guy, Kennedy Agyapong and the Crawford, the supporters, and the boy Bawumia, thank God Bawumia, and man winning election on president. Yate 2028, about to Obama hormone. ye be ba boa Bawumia na ye nya dua bi amu amayen se Kwaku atense kwa abofra si kwa ho yemfa ne nya hwe ono na emebu moyen yate obi awunim amadaku odi Bawumia chi oko Bawumia fie kwatiano amadaku odi di Kennedy Agyapong atem abra amadaku memfa ne nya house girl Kennedy Agyapong girlfriends Boakye Agyarko no amadaku ene omo mfata ene omo nse amadaku tumi dina Bawumia chi edi Kennedy Agyapong atem Bawumia se wante Jesse Kodua se wante Unim Jennifer Queen atna radio so aka se papa bia na no ya media men kan asemo na one ne nkrofo abedi matem na o ka kire Kennedy Agyapong because ko internal elections phobia winning Francis Essien o say Kennedy Agyapong sika wonya ill-gotten money. Kennedy Agyapong sika wonya no ono ankasa Kennedy no hum ennim babia onya ni sika ni free ye. Kennedy Agyapong sika na wode boa NPP ma amadaku every Francis Essien every NDC mu benya position wo NDC mu NPP mu abra Kennedy Agyapong na de NPP ba power. Oti cocaine ana Kennedy Agyapong ton ye ana odi aye sikani na wono Francis Essien no eye ne ya abaya ne ferry to obe discuss the name Kennedy Agyapong politics for ya dirty game ampa na 2028 ye be dirty ye ho big time ye be ye hu fi na sansem we nyina na America no ya trago for ya Bawumia bete ne kakanka 2028 Fobia see nye bi na oboy me si Bawumia o sa Bawumia nya 38 na wonya ye na Nyankopon penasem sa Bawumia nya 38 na wonya ye na Fobia na bibi di wiase ya betre wo mo Fobia e catch them mabrunu Fobia and me janzis na abagana no Fobia ya de ye ko ya ntoa ba Ghana da mmom no ye die si wo Ghana e be ye num bi de so mo po mo da chi ya NPP anya alternative NPP anya option Kennedy beba opo wa beba me say we will force Kennedy so obeja NPP opo obeja the base and Mr. Tibonsu mejinidi and minim baby aya no bi so yedi nkomokodro Kennedy beba na omra no ma join ntem omra no ma ya ntem na inferior na nye high na media minim so ono nkwa na betumi ama o my Ghana na sesa Mr. Kennedy Agyapong da ye be yi no anase da ono ankasa be join the base so person be join the base me kwa abato no Mr. Police anye bribe e wo kwa ho biem adia successive government to me si anokwan no Kennedy Agyapong be a person the base obespia did the base police for anye bribe because Munim said the chances of him to become a president in Ghana now are very high to omonye bribe obi ata city up obey na dwuma ye sa corruption ekoso Phobia mesi asubati galaxy be jai on its own Ghana be ye and it does for na no na ntofo bi am pese nipa okano kra nipa ono ni na wo nya bi adie nipa ono nwia na wo ba wia bi no omum peso obeba power phobia yesi ba bi onyankopon bo na mpesie no ahwan so osasabonsan ye de toto ne momone Mr. Ghana beye under the presidency of Kennedy Agyapong. Now when you benya nkrofo omode co-heartedly omode omomoja abeye adwuma ma Ghana now so omonya den omonya akatua what you say tell me enti Ghana na beye yie na boys no youth no munya gidie na Kennedy beba ye de enim so beba obeba the formation of the base no and the Betrayal how obesi ya de ahon popo of the bantem enti monjane mombra together na euphoria na nye high na sanam so no oba eno ne be ma Ghana anya ntuma pa bi anya anidaso say Ghana man e be ye na ye pre phobia ye said ye nka osurisu no wa wotenchen wonsu nchen no ba yesu atemu because omani ye ebi beka ye se Ghana man gina ye phobia me no mienu ye ho beto ye anunti ana ye nyina ya ka ye ho abom se ye pese omani nye ye na omani be ye egina me no mienu ye so na Bawumia de se Ghana fo amoni da ho Ghana fo a sebe o madwe munya ha ti se Justin Kodua ne efense ene ne party fo no Ghana fo a mo de mo dwen wo man ne ho Ghana fo a mo brade me moja agi wo man ne si ho no mo moya moa na yenye wo man ne yenye wo man ne yie.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.